Here the question is, the numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. If 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, then the sum of the new fraction and the original fraction is 29 by 20. Find the original fraction. Here we will take x as denominator of the fraction. It's given that the numerator is 3 less than its denominator. The numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. That is x minus 3 divided by x is the fraction. Now, according to the second condition, if 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, that is x minus 3 plus 2 divided by x plus 2, that implies x minus 1 by x plus 2. Then the sum of the new fraction and its original fraction is 29 by 30. X minus 3 divided by x plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 29 by 20. This is the equation. So, after getting this equation, we need to solve the equation and find the quadratic equation and find the roots. So, taking x into x plus 2 is the denominator, x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus x into x minus 1 is equal to 29 by 30. Solving this area, x square plus 2x minus 3x plus 2 plus x square minus x, the whole divided by x square plus 2x is equal to 29 by 20. That is 2x square minus 2x plus 2, the whole divided by x square plus 2x is equal to 29 by 20. Now cross multiplying, 40x square minus 40x plus 40 is equal to 29x square plus 58x, that is 40x square minus 29x square minus 40x minus 58x plus 40 is equal to 0. A small correction, this is 6 and according to that this is 120. Okay, I have made a mistake. Here our quadratic equation is 11x square minus 98x minus 120 is equal to 0. We can use minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a for finding the value of x, or we can factorize this term. So here I am going to factorize this term. So we will get 11x square minus 110x plus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. From these two terms, I will take 11x as common. 11x is equal to x minus 10, and from here I will take plus 12 as common, then x minus 10 as the remaining is equal to 0. From these two terms I will take x minus 10 as common, that is x minus 10 into 11x plus 12 is equal to 0. That is x minus 10 is equal to 0 or 11x plus 12 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 12 by 11. In this case, the denominator is typically a positive integer. So we can use x is equal to 10. Our original fraction is x minus 3 divided by x. Now substitute the value of x here. 10 minus 3 divided by 10. That's equal to 7 by 10. This is the original fraction. So the final answer is the original fraction is 7 divided by 10. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.